Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Most Gracious, and the Most Merciful. All praise be to Allah, and bless be upon each and every one of us. Now we study, still discussing about legal purity or taharah in Arabic. Please read Fahrudin and should be followed by others.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. On the other hand, impure water, to which water suitable for purification,
What? Suitable. The I is silent, it's not red.
to which water suitable for purification has been added, remains impure until the minimum has been reached. But according to some jurists, the mixture should be considered pure. Though unsuitable for purification. If the quantity of impure is less than that of pure water. As an exception for the foregoing rules, the body of bloodless insect...
No, not the body, body. Body in American English, but in British it is body.
The body of bloodless insect does not render a liquid impure according to Al-Mashhur. And one jurist is of opinion that nothing we have just cited
Said.
Nothing we have just said.
Yeah, please don't forget nothing. It is T and H. It should be read like tha. Nothing, not nothing, nothing. So T combined with H, TH in Indonesia, sometimes is read like zal, father. Sometimes read like tha, three. Like this one also, nothing. So you should try to say just as precise as possible. Okay, please repeat.
Nothing we have just said applies to impurity so slight as to be inappreciable.
Okay, wait. Nur Yakin. Just read what Fakhruddin just read. And one jurist only. One box. And
one jurist is of opinion that
no, just you alone, not followed by others.
and one jurist is of opinion that nothing we have just said nothing we have just said
Just you don't. Do you use laptop?
yes
What laptop say? Juice? No. Just.
nothing we have just said applies to impurity.
Okay. Who is this one? Nasi. Huh? What's your name? Huh? Huh? Eldino. Eldino. Okay, read. And one jurist.
And one jurist is of opinion that nothing we have just said applies. Nothing we have just said.
Okay, now read further by Afandi. Continue reading from what Fakhruddin has read. I said,
in this latter opinion is clearer. I can serve Allah know best.
no. Have you read using laptop, Afandi?
Which smartphone?
What?
Which have?
With mobile phone.
Yes.
But why it is still conquer?
Cancer.
Conquer. Who bring laptop? Please try. Cancur. Ya? What? Repeat one more. No. Type it correctly. Type CONCUR. It's okay? Okay.
I think Allah know best. Running water is subject to the same rules as stagnant water.
No, not too much. Just say some
Rules.
Repeat. Running water.
Running water is subject to the
Okay, just like that. Running water is subject and followed by others. Repeat.
running water is subject
Okay.
to the same rules as stagnant water.
To the same rules, just like that.
To the same rules as stagnant water.
Repeat, Fandi. Running
Running water is
not water, water.
running water is subject to the same rules as stagnant water.
Water, not water.
Rule as stagnant water. At least this is so according. At least this is so according
No, at least this is so according to the opinion.
At least this is so according to the opinion expressed by Shafi'i in his second period. Thought then that Imam at first admitted that running water can never become impure. Unless by adulteration. Unless by adulteration.
No, doubt. Please try using laptop. Adult. Adult. So the U letter read A. Adult. Adulteration.
Unless by adulteration. However small the quantity of liquid, Tukula are equal to about 500 rutal of Baghdad according to Al-Ashar.
Just bit by bit, not all. Little by little. Tukullah.
Tukula are equal to about 500 rutal.
Repeat. A.
Are equal.
Huh?
Equal.
Yeah, equal.
Tukula are equal.
Not so clear. Equal. Okay. Repeat.
Equal
Yeah.
to about 500 rutal. Of Baghdad according to Al-Ashar. The adulteration.
Okay, until here. So I need to explain a little bit about the rules in Islam that actually the obligation for all of us as Muslims, with the most regularly done every day, 5 times a day, is actually prayer or salah. This is the most important. So we have to make a prayer 5 times a day, every day, for men who are adults and not insane. Not insane means غير مجنون, not insane, and have reached a puberty age. But before doing salah, there is some essential in prayer. Before doing prayer, there is some requirement we should obey to make our prayer valid and accepted. One and the most important is we have to be in pure condition. Pure condition in Sharia Islam terms are two kinds. One, pure from dirty thing or from najis, and second, pure from hadath, which there is no some word to describe it in English. So in here, the author just says also impure. So we have to be pure from impurity. Impurity here could be means two things, najis and hadath. And how to make us, if we in impure condition, how to make us pure? To enable us to do a prayer, should our prayer be accepted? And the requirement is we have to purify our impurity, both impurity from najis and impurity from hadath, by pure water. What pure water in Islamic jurisprudence terms? Pure water in Sharia term is the water which is not adulterated, water which is original, pure, either from the sky, rainwater, or ice water, snow water, or water from the earth, from any of the earth. According to many school of thought, Shafi'i, Maliki, and Hanafi, pure water is what in Arabic is called ma'un mutlak, or just pure water. The pure water or ma'un mutlak can be used to purify ourselves, both from najis or from hadath. So, impure water cannot be used to purify ourselves. Like, for example, water who has been changed because of many things. Changed because of adulterated by many foreign elements. Like, for example, if you have combined water with something like, for example, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or some kind of water or milk tea until the water it is not cold water, then the water cannot be used to purify ourselves from hadas or from najis. This is from majority of madhahib, from the four school of thought, four school. That is Syafi'i, Maliki, Hambali. But according to Hanafi school of thought, pure water or ma'un mutlak is not required to purify ourselves. You can use, for example, syrup or water combined with milk to purify your impurity. So we back to about pure water. Pure water, according to Shafi'i school of thought, where Minhajul Talibin is a Shafi'i, based on Shafi'i school of thought or Shafi'i madhab, pure water, if there is two kind of pure water. Pure water which less than 2 kullah, or pure water that reach 2 kullah or more. Pure water with less than 2 kullah, if some foreign elements or impure things come to the pure water become impure, cannot be used to make wudu or to ghusl or to purify some najasah. But if the water has reached 2 kullah or more, the water is still regarded as pure, even if some foreign element like najis come to the water. So far, provided, provided what means? Syafiq, what does it mean? What does provided mean? What the meaning of provided? No. Fahrudin? No. Provide has 2 meaning. Now, one, provide meaning memberi. I provide you, I give you. The second, provide, in perfect tense, provided could means asalkan, dengan syarat. So, 2 kullah water of 2 kullah. 2 kullah pure water, 2 kullah pure water, it is still regarded as pure, even combined with some impure things, like for example, something from what, something which is impure, provided the water is still unchanged. But if water change because of the foreign element that come into it, the water, the 2 kullah water is changed, the status of the kullah water has changed into impure. Now the question is, how much the quantity of 2 kullah water? I have added some information below in the footnote that 2 kullah is equal to 270 liter according to Wahbah Zuhaili at Al-Fiqh Al-Islami wa Adillatuh. There is some opinion about how many or how much quantity of water which is regarded as 2 kula. This is the most. 270 liter is the most. Some opinion like in Al-Fiqh Al-Muyassar, Al-Fiqhul Muyassar, 2 kula it is less than that. It is about 170 liter. It is already regarded as 2 kula. So opinion of some contemporary scholars. You know contemporary what? Contemporary like Mu'asirin. So some opinion of some contemporary scholars, some contemporary Islamic scholars has a various different opinion regarding how much quantity of water regarded as 2 kula. Some, if we be careful about those opinion, this is the highest quantity by Wahbah Zuhaili, which said that 2 kula is equal to 270. But there are some other opinion which said 250. There are also 210 liters, and the less quantity is in Fiqh Al-Muyassar, Al-Fiqhul Muyassar, which said that 2 kula is equal to 160 or 170. But the most important thing is whichever opinion you take about 2 kula. But the important thing is that we be careful about our choice, because it will be used as a tools to purify ourselves so that we can do prayer correctly. And by correctly means that our prayer will be accepted as far as Sharia law is concerned. What means as far as Sharia law is concerned? Safiq, as far as Sharia law is concerned, what does it mean? Huh? Apa? What? Fandi? As far as is concerned. As far as Syariah law is concerned, maksudnya berhubungan dengan Syariah law, dengan hukum fikih, yang terkait dengan hukum fikih. Atau bisa juga bermakna also means menurut. As far as I am concerned, it is actually classical English, but some people still use it. Or as far as I go, it means menurut saya. As far as I am concerned, as far as I go, or as far as Syariah law is concerned, menurut Syariah law. It is just like according to Syariah law, just in different expression. So now please explain Eka, please explain English, just in brief. About pure water as a requirement to make our prayer accepted as far as Sharia law is concerned, or according to Sharia law. Okay, please say it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate.
Okay, say one or two sentences. Is this okay? You still had? Okay, Fahruddin, say it. Explain in brief. Summarize.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. In this change, I will explain about how we can use water to make legal purity, to purifying our body from impurity. There is two kind of water. There is two kind of water. The first is the water has reached to kullah, and the water less than to kullah. The water has reached to kullah. That means the water has reached the minimum of tukula. And in nowadays, by Imam Wahb Zahili in his book Fiqh Islam wa Adalatuhu, tukula is equal 217 liter.
Okay, it's enough. So for the others, for all of you, still practice by speak it loudly. Don't speak it inside your heart, right? Speak loudly and repeatedly. Just say it. So the most important in learning foreign language, including Arabic and English, not just reading or learning the grammar and reading the story, but also reading and saying loudly. Don't say it by heart, but say it by your mouth. Speak it. Even if you, so practice is the most important. So if you, for example, stay alone in your room or stay wherever you are, you can practice yourself by speaking. Speaking just like as if you speak or you talk to someone in front of you. That's important. All foreign language learners, including me and many others, they practice by two things. One, by speaking to oneself, speaking alone in your room, or if you, for example, feel shy to talk to someone else, you go to wherever place and talk alone there. And secondly, you ask your friend who can speak English even little to practice your English there. And the third thing, practice with someone who cannot speak Indonesia. So you maybe need to go, for example, to Malang. If you meet some tourist there, you just ask them, just talk, how are you? How are you? How long you have been here? Do you feel comfortable in this country? Just like that. 3 words is enough. It is make your confidence up. That's important. وكذلك التدريب في اللغة العربية لا بد لنا أن نتدرب بأنفسنا بنفسنا أو مع زملائنا. التدريب هذا المفتاح للنجاح سواء كان في اللغة العربية أو في اللغة الإنجليزية. التدريب and practice repeatedly every day. You have to be enthusiastic learner. Jadi kalau itu harus antusias. Kalau nggak antusias, gagal. Nah itu, has to be enthusiast. Maybe after 3 or 4 months from now, maybe I will start to teach you some English courses, maybe 2 or 3 months. English courses from the beginning, so that all of you can understand the basic of English. Maybe I plan to use what I have learned long time ago. I mean English from Radio Australia. I have the books and I also have the audio. Later, maybe 4 or 6 months from now, maybe we can start learning that. I hope you all can more actively understand English and more enthusiastic to study English and practice it. Wallahu a'lam. Ahli samawati mula dari wa 'allimna atibana ya Rabbi bi husni Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.